My name is Kamil Olufowobi, and I am a connectologist. I connect people for the purpose of sharing ideas, information, and opportunities to create win-win outcomes, because everybody matters. Everyone matters. Now, let me take you back to September 1995, when I first came to America, the land of the free, the home of the brave, where opportunities are yours for the taking. And I took them. So starting in high school, I quickly moved up the ranks and became the editor of my high school newspaper. By sophomore year in college, I was set to become the editor of my college newspaper. But that didn't happen. Little did I know that rejection was divine redirection. That rejection really hit home. It really hit hard, because it was the first time I'd ever experienced racism. I persevered, and I went on to establish and found the first African Student Association on my campus, the same campus that denied me the opportunity to serve. I persevered, and I moved on to corporate America, where again, I faced the realities of racism in America. I persevered, and this time, I relocated to Africa in the hopes of lessening the impact of racism. And yet again, I experienced it. You know, they say 3 times is a charm. And this time around, I resigned, and I moved on to join the United Nations to address the issues that are impacting people of African descent all over the world. I figured there were others who experienced what I went through, and if they had any place where their light could shine. So I founded an organization called the Most Influential People of African Descent, which is fast becoming an haven for people who want to light up this world for the glory of humanity. And I ask you that if you are out there and you're a person of African descent or a lover of Africa, and you want to support Africa to shine, I ask that you come join along with us and be a part of this movement. Imagine we are able to connect all people of African descent all over the world, connecting them with their counterparts inside Africa, and get them working together to let their light shine and to make Africa a pride of this world. See, that's my journey now, and I'm excited, and I look forward to having you being a part of that network. So follow us and be a part of the movement at MyPad100. Thank you.